High Heel Knight. Welcome to my channel. It's High Heel Hump Day and it's part 3 of my Amazon Prime wardrobe mystery unboxing. Of course, it's not really a mystery anymore because I started with 3 boxes. On the first week, I unboxed the Easy Spirit Women's Esplash Mary Jane Flat. On the second week, I unboxed the Clarks Women's SML Guide Loafer. Today must obviously be the Clarks Women's Step Rose Moon Platform. Well, even though I know what's in the box, let's have some fun and act surprised anyway, shall we? So, put my scissors here, and a cutting we shall go. Alright. Ooh. Oh, I like this. I like this box more than me. Don't want to get copyright claim. All right, here they are. Very nice, much nicer than I expected based on the picture. So let's talk about these shoes in greater detail. Okay, it's time to take a closer look at these shoes, which are named the Clarks Women's Step Rose Moon Platforms. But they aren't platforms, they aren't real platforms. I mean, I got my 12-inch ruler here. Again, there's about 1/8 of an inch from the base to the zero. But, you know, these aren't platforms. I mean, look at this. You got, you know, it was like what? About just under 1.5 inches, so like 1 1/8 inch. And you get to the wedge part. You know, that's 2.5, so you know, to say 2.5 minus that 1/8, but still, look at that. That's you know that bit right there. You know, that's a bit of a heel. It's fine, but that's not a platform. In my book, you know, a platform needs to be, you know, like at least like almost 2 inches, and like somewhere around the 2 inches mark. This is basically one. This is just really like a thicker base to the foot. That's not really a platform. So I don't know if someone in marketing decided let's call it a platform to hopefully get it sold well. I mean, that's not why I bought it, but who knows? Maybe that's all part of marketing research. But platform order to get a little better than just basic wedge or something like that. I don't know. But other than that complaint, I do like these. I like having some casual wear in my collection. Shoes that I could get easily in and out of. I call these type of things grocery shopping shoes. You just need to go to the store to buy a couple of quick things, maybe some milk, maybe some juice, maybe some bread or whatever. You toss these shoes on, you go there, you're in and out of the store, you toss them off and you get back home. That's what I call the grocery store shoes. Very casual, very simple. You're going to be out and about all day. Maybe you are going to be shopping all day. Maybe you're going to be out with the kids or the family. Maybe you just want to toss on something for work if you're in an environment where you're on your feet for a long period of time, but you still want to be a little bit stylish. Yeah, that's something that like these will definitely wear. But they aren't platforms. Yeah, these are a 12 wide, not 12 and a half, they're 12 wide. Again, usually the higher the shoe up, the larger I need, but something on this side, 12 wide is fine. And yeah, I look forward to wearing these on my usual day-to-day, average, ordinary stuff, as opposed to looking super stylish or, interested, like I said, grocery shopping shoes. Put them on, do your stuff, take them off at the end of the day. If you're wearing for, an hour to 8 hours, your feet are probably going to be very, very fine in these type of shoes. They just are not platforms. So those are my Clark's Step Moon Rose platform shoes. I look forward to walking around in the grocery stores and things like that. These look like they're going to be nice, comfortable, and fun. And I hope you have some fun watching this video. Be sure to share whatever comments you like in the comment section. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, or dislike, share, and subscribe. Once again, I'm High Heel Knight. Thank you for watching. And remember, find inspiration everywhere.